When Love is Pure. When Love is Pure, Vicky Ingreso.
I would start with a quote. The fears that you don't face become your limits. And when you have fears, you have limits, you don't experience more, you don't have, or you lack of the experiences. When love is pure, you said that you have to be honest with your partner because with that, you'll be able to have a genuine partnership with that person. And right now, I have a fear that I have to let it out and to face my limit of having a fear with him, to be angry with me, to my husband, to be honest with him fully, 100%. And right now, as to give an example, when it comes to credit cards, when I spend too much without his approval, and I have this fear that when the bill comes and he knew that my card limit has max already, and then he will get scolded at me. So I'm not fully honest, and our love is not pure, and I'm actually not experiencing the total fun or the total joy of the purest love. With that, I need to overcome this fear of not lying with my husband and being honest every time I swipe, I shop, and just to be honest with my partner. That's all. Thank you.